Good morning, class. At this point, you guys have written another class test. Alright. So we're busy with rational numbers. You can just put it on the table. Thank you. We're busy with rational numbers. And you guys had some homework, correct? Yes, the homework was exercise 3, the even numbers. Okay. So have we done, okay, let's first find exercise 3. Yes, it. Exercise 3, the even numbers. Okay. So this is exercise 3, and this is on page 67. You listen. Part of your reference, you must write it before you answer these questions. Which exercise is it from, and which page is it on? Okay. Examples. Okay. So you are doing the even numbers, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what's your answer to number 2? That one was in the test, not so? You all agree?
Yes, sir.
Let's check. Negative 8 over 5. Number 4. Negative over 20 is correct. Number 6. Negative 45. You all got that. You all understand how we get that, no? No. You see, we've got negative 15 divided over a third. It's the same as negative 15 divided by 1 over 3. Remember that this line means divide. Another O, the divide sign. So naturally that's over 1. So it's negative 15 over 1 multiplied by 3 over 1. Tumble and times. So negative times positive, negative 15 times 3 is 45 over 1, which is for negative 45. Okay. People, number 14. Yes? Yes, you may ask.
If you said negative 4 over 1, is it still that?
Negative 4 over 1.
Sorry, negative 45.
Negative 45 over 1. Yeah, it's correct, but that is a simplified version of negative 45 over 1. It's a negative 4. Okay, so it's better for you to write it like this. Okay. People, number 14. B. C is where yes? Over A. Any issues there? Yes? Who's having a problem with this one? Okay, so firstly, we multiply the top out. Not so. So AB times C cubed is ABC cubed. Not so. C times A squared is A squared C. You agree with that? Right. Where's there more A's? At the bottom. Can you see that? So it will be A, 2 minus 1 is 1. Where's there more B's? Top. There's only B's on top. So it is as it is. Where's there more C's? On top. So it's going to be C cubed over C, which is C 3 minus 1, which is 2. Okay. Number 16. 2x over 1. Nice. Any issues there? No? Number 18. 1 over 2 is absolutely correct. Sorry? The cubes cancels. The cubes cancels. Remember that will simply be 5p over 8q multiplied by 4q over 5p. So 8 goes into 8, 4 goes into 8 twice, 4 goes into 4 once. 5 cancels 5, q cancels q, p cancels p. There's 1 over 2. Okay, any other confusion here? Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 7. So, okay, those two is answered already. Number 8. What's the answer to number 8? A to the exponent 5 over 3 is correct. Number 20. 10a over 9. Right, any issues with number 8? Yes?
I got here in my book a power 3 over.
A to the power 3. Nope, it's wrong. Right, tell me what did you write?
Okay, 3a plus 6 over 4 times 4 over 6a to the power 2 times 2a over 3.
Yes?
Then a cubed over 1 times 1 over 2a.
Wait a second. 8 cubed.
Yes.
How do you get that?
I said 3 even with 3 once.
Okay, 3 going to 3 once. 3 going to 3 once, yes?
And 3 going to 6 twice.
Now you see there's your mistake. Because the 3 is used here with that 3.
Oh.
So there's no 3's left on top. Can you see your mistake? So what you would have done is you would have then said, okay, 4 cancels 4. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6 3 times. So for my numbers, okay, it's 1 on top and 3 at the bottom. So A6 times A is going to be A7. I could have cancelled out if I wanted. But let's just do it like this. Now it becomes, where there are more A's on top. So it's 7 minus 2 is 5 over 3. Okay. Number 20, any issues there? Lisa Kanya, I was going to tell you now, you didn't ask a question yet for the day. You did? Okay, I didn't hear. Right, what did you do here?
I said 5a squared.
Yeah?
6 times 4b over 3a.
Yes, correct, Kanya?
And then I cancel the 6. Oh, wait, no.
What did you cancel, Michael?
The 6 and the
You must. 2 goes into 4 twice, 2 goes into 6 3 times. Okay, and then what?
10a squared b over
10k is a squared b over
9.
9a. Now what do you notice now? The numerator and the denominator has an a in it. Do you see that? Now what must you do? Subtract. You must simplify this. So that's going to give us 10. Where's there more a's? On top. So it's a, 10 minus 2 minus 1 is 1. B over 9. Okay. Okay, let's make this a bit smaller. Number 10. What's your answer to number 10? 8 over 5 is correct. Number 12? 1. Number 22? Negative 9. A over 8. Correct. Number 24? This was in your test? It's correct. Alright. Any issues with number 10? Number 12? No issues there? Number 22? Yes? What did you write, Michael?
Negative 8 to the power of 3 over 8
Yes?
times 9 over 8 to the power of 2.
That's absolutely correct. Carry on.
But my answer was 9.
Now, what did you do next? Don't say what's your answer.
I didn't do anything next.
Sorry?
I just wrote the answer.
Okay, what's your answer?
9a cubed over 8a squared.
Firstly, did you have a mistake? What's the mistake? You didn't pick up the sign. So negative times positive is negative. Where's there more a's? So we have to simplify. Can you see that? So what 3 minus 2 is? 1. So negative 9a over a. Okay. Number 22. Any issues there? No, sorry, number 24. Anybody have a problem with number 24? No? Then we went on to worksheet 3. We finished our worksheet, no?
Yes, sir.
Then we went on to worksheet 4. Now worksheet 4 is on page finish marking worksheet for worksheet 3. Let's go to worksheet 3. The bell rang and we wrap this up here. It's all finished. This question was in the test, that one? And this one? And that one? No?
Yes, sir.
Right, worksheet 4. Page 80. Some people? Yes. 18. You missed the odd number. Can't be 88. 87. Right. Right, do your thing. What's the first answer? 11A. 11. Okay, there. 11A is correct. Absolutely. Yeah, I thought you guys would know these things. Number 2. 48. Nice. Number 3. 28A squared. Good. Number 4. 4.5 or 4 over 5. No. 4.5. 9 over 2. All of that is acceptable. Sounds like you guys had a problem there. Let's look at number 4. It's 5a plus 4a divided by 2a. Now 4a plus 5a is 9a. Not so? Divided by 2a. Did you see that? The a's cancel. Leaves you with 9 over 2. Okay, you guys understand? Alright. 5. 2a to the power 4. Now adding and subtracting the variables say the same. Number 6. 6a 8. Number 7 2. Number 8 a minus 2b minus 3c. Not O, it's a A, no? Number 9.
Sir,
Yes.
is it wrong if I say 1a?
No.
Oh, no.
Number 9. 2a cubed minus 3a squared plus 4a. Any issues there? Yes. You have a problem? No. Yes, Michael? You got it wrong. Okay, what did you write? Yes? 8a cubed 8a squared. How you get that? Because listen, that's a term on its own. There's no a cubed there. Can you see that? You probably wrote that as an a squared. Just check it.
I think I saw that as squared.
Yeah, that's your mistake. Okay, so that is on its own. That is why we have that one. Those two. 5 minus 8 is negative 3. So 5a squared minus 8a squared is negative 3a squared. And 6a minus 2a is 4a. Okay. Number 10. Number 10. 7ab.
minus 7ab.
Okay, any issues there? So any problems with the sums on the board thus far? Yes, Michael?
I only got number 6 wrong. Sir.
Number 6. Okay?
I got 6a to the power 4.
But when you're multiplying and bases are the same, you must
Add.
add the exponents. So it must be
I
A8.
thought it's
Like terms, I know what you're looking at. That's why they put that sum in there. But the learners will think it's like terms, so they're going to keep it the same. But it's actually not the same. Because while you're multiplying and bases are the same, you must add the exponents. Yes, Michael?
So my answer for number 4 is 4 and
Nice, well done. You that I said earlier on, 4.5, 4.5, 9 over 2 is really acceptable for number 4. Anything else? Okay. Let's carry on with our lives. As if nothing's happening. Right. Number 1. 5xy squared. Nice. Next. This is right. This properly. It's 5xy squared. The next one. 6 over 3 a. You all agree with that? Wrong?
6a to the power 4.
No. 6a squared.
6a to the power 4 over 3.
No? Yes? 2a squared is correct. What must you do first? You must first simplify inside these brackets, under the root. So it's 9 goes into 9 once, into 36 4 times. So it's 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Not so. What's the square root of 4? 2. A. 4 over 2 is 2. 2a squared. Right. Number 3. What's your answer to number 3? 1 is correct. Number 4. 3 B4 minus of 8. Right? Positive divided by negative is negative. Why not minus? The next one, number 5. Negative. B. 11 is correct. Number 6. 32 is correct. B is nice. B to the power 4. Next. Negative is 8 to the exponent. 12 yes. You all agree with that? No. How can it be right? Positive times a positive is positive. Positive times a negative is negative. Correct. Now if you add x to the exponent 3 times x to the exponent 4 times x to the exponent 5, what would that have given him? Negative x to the exponent 12. Now did I change this base from an x to a y? You kept it as a base of x. Not so. So what must happen here? The base remains the base. Must be not O or 8, must be a 2. Yes, Michael?
So I say I'll find like 12 to the power.
2 to the 12? No. You see, once a number is going to give you a number over 100, then because you're not using a calculator, I don't expect you to work out 2 to the 12. 2 to the 12, I think it's 2 to the 10 is 1024. 2 to the 12 is 490 something. 496 I think. So 4090. 4096. You see 2 to the 12? Let me just make this right. 2 to the exponent 12. You see, it's fairly large and yeah, 4096. For me to expect you to work it out in the exam or as part of it, it's unfair, don't you think?
Yes.
Yeah, so I would accept 2 to the 12. Just make it a rule. If the number is over 100, in terms of working it out like that, then unless the question say multiply and you got two numbers that's of course going into thousands. Okay, then we would do that. But not in terms of exponents like this. Okay. So that we accepted as 2, a negative 2 to the exponent 12. People number 8, what's the answer to number 8? 2x to the exponent? Nice. Okay, any problems with number 1? 2, we spoke about 3. Any issues with number 3? Number 4? Number 5? 5, okay. What did you write for number 5, Michael? There's your mistake already. 2 to the exponent 4 is 16. Can you see your mistake? So it's 16b, 3 times 4 is 12, over 16b. Positive divided by negative? Negative. 16's cancel. Okay. B, 12 minus 1 is 11. Any issues with number 6? Right. What did you write to number 6?
In brackets, negative 8p.
That's your mistake. Why are you multiplying the numbers first? What must you do first, people? Your exponents, your brackets on the exponents. Not so. So it's going to be negative 2 into 4 squared is 16 p squared times negative p squared. Can you see that? You understand? So what's positive times a negative? Negative times negative, positive. 2 times 16, 32. P squared times p squared, p4. Okay. Any issues number 8? No. See what's left? Substitution. Okay, you worksheet 5 for homework, no? Huh? Yes, worksheet 5. So for homework, I would like you guys to add worksheet 6 to the homework. Add worksheet 6 to the homework. You just check quickly before you leave. Yeah, so here we got some decimals and a lot of fractions involved here. Okay, this is basically revising what we have done in the last part of the chapter on rational numbers. Okay, so your homework for tomorrow is worksheet 6. That's on page 91. As well as if you go to page 93, you see here? Your mixed integers, a speed test. Okay? I'd like you guys to do that as well. Okay? Yeah, do all of it. So tomorrow we'll just run through it and then you can just see what the issues are. Okay? Is that too much?
Teaching staff.
No, I don't think it's
teaching
enough.
staff on WCAD, James medical aid, can you please report to the bottom conference room? Teaching staff on WCZ James medical aid to report to the...
Why didn't you tell me it's break? Then we could have carried on, Mus. You say you don't like maths that much. So let's do it. A break? How life you been on a break? People enjoy this every day. Good morning, class.
What the scope is measurement? Is it like
That's what you did in the first term.
like volume?
Yeah. Meters, millimeters, centimeters. Perimeter, area, volume. Bye. Yes.